Hello, my friends. This is going to be a really quick update video. I mean, really quick, but daily ads and wealth step by step have combined, so to speak. So, daily ads, of course, is its own system for getting traffic, has its own three matrix compensation plans, and wealth step by step has its own compensation plan, which are all very high paying forced matrices. But in today's video, what I want to share with you is that they have combined, like literally, in the fact that now in daily ads, in you can see my screen right now on the left hand side, start here, dashboard, profile, link tree, and rotators. So Linktree is where bronze members in daily ads, you pay basically $11 a month, and you can add your own programs that will get rotated by the company. You get those totally advertised for you, and then you have the rotator section, which is available to all. So even if you're still a free member, which I don't recommend remaining a free member, there's so many benefits to daily ads that you really want to upgrade at least to the $11 a month plan with bronze. You get to participate in earning, plus you get the other advantages of the other different advertising throughout the site. You can watch my other videos for that. I've done several of them. But the rotators, everybody can participate in. So when I click on rotators, I'm already on the screen, and you would click that, and you can see when I scroll down, you got OLSP, Udemy, Leads, My Lead Gene Sacred, 3 Leads a Day, Hercules, MLM Gateway, Bazillion Club, Wise, Thinking in Reality, Live Good, Biggest Business Opportunity, Lead Lightning 2.0, MLM Center, Wealth Step by Step is now in the rotators that get advertised for us. And this is, of course, another opportunity that we absolutely love. And we've been doing videos on it. It's got that force matrix, which helps many, many more members earn, just like daily ads. And now it is in the rotators. Now, you don't have to join all these programs in the rotator. If you're a member of a lot of these programs, you just simply put in your ID, not your link, just your ID, and you put it in place in the box, and then you hit save. So if you're a member of Wealth Step by Step right now, and I just did a video on daily ads last night, and Wealth Step by Step got added minutes after I had done that video. But if you're a member of Wealth Step by Step, all you do is log into your back office. You'll land on this page, and your ID is on the end of your link. So all you do is highlight that, after the question mark, you copy it, you come over here to daily ads, you paste it in the box. As you can see, I already got ours in there, and you hit save, and that's it. Then the company will advertise that through their rotators for you. So how great is that? Not only now do we have the combination of the daily ads, 3 force matrix comp plans, which are very lucrative, and you have Wealth Step by Step comp plan, which is absolutely amazing. And now they are combined, so to speak, into one, because daily ads is going to help you advertise Wealth Step by Step. And this is a cooperation that I made through by talking to the owners, and got Wealth Step by Step put in here. And for good reason, because it is a very high paying comp plan per person, per member, and every level of their forced matrix, which a lot of other comp plans, programs like, Live Good is an example. I'm not a member of Live Good, never was fond of it. Hey, many of you may love it, and that's great. But it only pays 25 cents per member in your matrix downline, which is not very good. And I'm just being honest, that's all. You're a member of Live Good, put your ID in there. You're a member of any of these programs, put your IDs in there, because they're going to get rotated and advertised on your behalf. And just put in the IDs for the other programs that you're a member of. We have ours in place for the few select programs that we're part of. We are heavily promoting certain programs. So if it's not in our wheelhouse of what we're doing, we just add what we are involved with. But again, super quick video, well, step by step, is now inside of Daily Ads. So go get your ID in place and get some additional advertising helping you to build your, well, step by step business. And other than that, my friends, I will talk to you on another video, and have a great day.